Hello students, welcome back to class 10 English class. So today's class is again on grammar and I will teach you how to fill up the close passage. At first you must know what is close passage. A passage will be given to you, okay, a passage will be provided to the students and there will be certain words missing out from it and you have to fill up this blank in the passage given and you have to fill up the blank from the words given in the options. Okay, so let's start. At first read the passage. India is dash land of the Jatakas and the Panchatantras. They blank not only collections dash moral stories but also entertainers dash plots and interesting characters. The case with dash morals may be conveyed dash stories has been dash recognized dash our forefathers. So you can see a passage is given over here and there are certain words missing out from this passage. At first you have to know the flow of this passage. Okay, you should have a good command over your language, over your vocabulary power, so that you can fill up the blank from the options given below. And you have to understand the meaning of the passage also, the flow of the passage and the meaning of the passage. So let's start to fill up the blank. India is, you can see here, for each blank there are 4 options given over here. Okay, there are 4 options given over here. You have to choose the correct option and fill up the blank with here. So India is, the options will be third one, the land of the Jatakas and the Panchatantras. They, next option will be are. They are not only collections, then C you are getting at, for, of, so too collections of moral stories but also entertainers dash plots and interesting. Number D, that is by, on, to, with. Entertainers with plots and interesting characters. The case with, this is E, you are getting 4 options: it, whom, which, who. It will be which. Okay, so the case with which morals may be conveyed. Then number F, you are getting in, as, a, through. Answer will be through. This is the correct option. Then stories has been G. There are 4 options: any, as, well, of. The correct one is, the suitable answer is well. Then the last one, at, by, to, with. Well recognized by our forefathers. Okay, so this is the close passage. Okay, our passage will be given to you and there will be certain words missing out. Blank will be given. For each blank there will be 4 options will be given. 3 or 4 options will be given. You have to find out the correct word from the blank and you have to fill up the blank. For this you should have a good command over vocabulary power, over your language, over your grammatical power, and even you should understand the flow and the meaning of the passage so that you can easily fill up the blank. So this is all about the close passage. In my next class I will discuss more about this close passage. Thank you.